Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Haziq bin Abdul Talib and I'm from 6BME2. So today I would like to talk about microeconomics benefits of drones in Malaysia. But first, I will talk about the history of drones. The history of drones started in 1898 when Nikola Tesla operates a radio-controlled boat for the first time in a New York pound. Next, the first RC aircraft built in 1916. Britain Aerial Target and RC aircraft used for target practice. In 1935, the word drones. The term of drone is inspired by the DH Queen B military RC plane. In 1996, the famous Predator US drone is created and later used in Afghanistan missions. The first industrial drones is used in 2006 by corporations to inspect pipelines and spray pesticides on farms. Jeff Bezos, an Amazon CEO, announces that the company considers using drones as a delivery method. In 2016, EHang releases world's first self-driving passenger drones. In 2019, the FAA requires registration for drones over 550 grams. Nowadays, drones are used in the COVID pandemic for the first aid. The current issue of drones in Malaysia concern the risk and security issues about commercial drone operations. Since the majority of commercial drone systems interact with their base using encrypted communications channel, they can become vulnerable to exploitation by a cyber criminal who can intercept and have access to sensitive data drones exchanges with the base, such as pictures, videos, and flight paths. The other issue also, CAM stated that drones are allowed in Malaysia related to CAM regulations, but civilians need to apply the permit to fly the drones. Now I will talk about the future analytics of drones. Opening new doors with drones, Malaysia government agencies such as MIDAC have designed and implemented several initiatives to fast-track growth of the country's drone tech industry, and high-potential companies such as Drone Tech Testbed Initiative and collaboration with the World Economic Forum. It will help high-potential Malaysian tech companies to scale up regionally and globally. Also, they strongly encourage entrepreneurs and local SMEs to explore emerging opportunities and technology application for industries such as agriculture, construction, energy, infrastructure, and public safety. Now I will talk about the benefit of drones. Across a multitude of industries, experts are finding new ways to use drones to improve business outcomes and reduce costs. Drones are expected to completely transform the agriculture industry. Imagine a fully autonomous system with drones regularly collecting data on pests and weed infestation, water resources, and potential erosion risk. For logistics and delivery, integrating drones into the sector could mean almost instantaneous deliveries as air travel beats weaving through heavy urban traffic. A better deliveries also mean less congestion and pollution. For the last part, I will talk about the economic relation. The impact of a highly advanced Malaysian drone economy also goes beyond the industry benefits. From a macroeconomics perspective, a bustling drone industry would create a wealth of new jobs and attract highly skilled tech talents to the country, such as flight path navigators, software developers, safety and maintenance engineers. Also, it will help a network and connectivity specialists. In conclusion, as industries find new cost efficiencies to novel drone applications, These savings can be funneled into R&D to build better products or to offer more competitive prices. Ultimately, it will benefiting all Malaysians. I think that's all from me. Thank you and have a nice day.